Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video on the impact of climate change on food security, specifically focusing on how changing rainfall patterns are affecting crops in Pakistan. Let's break it down in an easy-to-understand way. Climate change and crops in Pakistan, a big concern. Climate change is causing some serious problems for our planet, and one of them is messing with our food supply. In Pakistan, where farming is a big deal, changing rainfall patterns are causing major issues for the food we grow. 1. Trouble with crop yields. Imagine you're a farmer. Rainfall is like your best friend. But now, that friend is acting all weird. Sometimes it's pouring cats and dogs, and other times it's like a desert out there. This messes up your crops big time. Too much or too little rain can damage your plants and reduce how much food you get from them. Not cool. 2. Not enough water for farming. In Pakistan, a lot of farmers use water from rivers to grow their crops. But climate change is making those rivers act funky too. Less rain means less water flowing in the rivers, and that means less water for farmers to use. No water, no crops. It's like a bad math problem. 3. Picking the right crops is a headache. Farmers usually pick their crops based on the weather they expect. But with climate change, the weather isn't what it used to be. It's like trying to guess the winning lottery numbers. You might get it right, but chances are you'll be disappointed. This makes growing the right crops a real challenge. 4. Crazy weather woes. Think of climate change as a supervillain that loves throwing crazy weather parties. Floods and droughts are the unwanted guests. They crash the party, wreck your crops, and leave you with a mess. It's like your hard work disappearing in a snap. 5. Tough times for people. Farmers in Pakistan depend on their crops for money and food. If the crops suffer, so do their incomes and dinner plates. This hits the rural communities the hardest. They might not have enough to eat, and prices of food can jump all over the place. 6. What can we do? But wait, it's not all doom and gloom. We can fight back against this climate change bully. Here's how. Smart farming. Farmers can learn new ways to grow crops that can handle the crazy weather. Like using less water or growing different types of plants. Saving water, we can build better ways to store and use water, so there's always enough for the fields. Getting ready for trouble. With technology and science, we can predict when bad weather is coming and get ready to protect our crops. Super crops. Scientists are working on making crops that are like superheroes. They can survive the changing climate and still give us plenty to eat. Good rules and plans. Governments and leaders can make smart rules about farming and protecting our land. We can all work together to make sure everyone has enough food to eat. So there you have it. Changing rainfall patterns might be causing problems for our food in Pakistan, but we're not giving up. We're using our brains and teamwork to make sure everyone has enough yummy food on their plates. Remember, climate change might be a tough opponent, but we're tougher. Note: this simplified script aims to convey the main points about the impact of changing rainfall patterns on food security in Pakistan. For accuracy and in-depth understanding, viewers are encouraged to explore more detailed sources and research on the topic.